Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at this absolutely gorgeous 69 Camaro big block pace car. I mean, this thing is nice. Convertible top, it comes with an orange boot to match. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, overall condition of this thing is just through the roof. She's beautiful. So is the interior. Working clock even in the center. All working gauges, fires right up every time, cold. I mean, this thing is just super nice. I can't wait to go drive it with you all. And speaking of, let's go ahead and crank her and go for a bit of a joyride. Alright, we are out in the open. We'll head to the road here. Such a great sound to her. Shifting super smooth. I mean, just crazy nice. The overall build quality of this vehicle. Brakes feel good too. So does clutch. So pretty. She's nice and straight. Just a, I can't explain to you how nice this car is without you seeing it in person. I'm sure the videos and the pictures look great, but it does not do this thing justice. It is just the overall feel, the driver quality of it is just. It's something. It's really something. So let's go ahead back to the shop, get her in the air, and peek at the undercarriage.